Yes, this is Dr.Senthil Kumar, Associate Professor, Department of EEE, SNS College of Technology. This video series is for the course Fundamental of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, offered to first year, first semester students for EEE, ECE and Biomedical Engineering. We are going to discuss about the unit 4 electronic devices and application, and in particular opto electronic devices. Now, what is an opto electronic devices? The electronic devices deals with semiconductor materials, and opto, which means it is light. Therefore, an optoelectronic devices is a device which converts electrical energy into light energy, or vice versa, from light energy to electrical energy. Either there is a conversion from electrical to light or light to energy, or there may be any electrical parameter changes. Say example, a resistor, the value of resistors is changed from low resistance value to high resistance value, or vice versa. Depends on the lumens, or depends on the optical devices falls, or depends on the sense of the lumens. There are several optoelectronic devices, whereas as per the syllabus, we are going to discuss about. Okay, for our syllabus, it consists of LED, a light emitting diode, a photodiode, a laser diode, and a solar cells, etc. Where, where the applications of optoelectronic devices. See examples before going to the applications. Here we are going to discuss about the photodiode, the solar cell, which is shown on the left, and the LED and LED in the left, the photodiode in the left top, and the right bottom is a solar PV cell. Solar PV cell. Now, why it is? Okay. Now, why we study about optoelectronic devices? You mean the empathize part of an optoelectronic devices. It is a light-based electronics. Say example, the applications are given here as a light-based electronics. It displays and it is used for lightings. Displays nothing but an LCD. LCD display you may come across in your TV. LED TV is there and LCD TV is there, right? Therefore, the purpose is for displaying the values, display devices. All digital display devices in your vehicles, two-wheelers or four-wheelers, with the help of LCD. Therefore, display devices. Another most application is for communication system. You might have heard the fiber optic communications. The light is transmitted for a long distance, whereas the communication is actually communicated through a fiber optic cable. Therefore, fiber optics. And for remote sensing, again, you have a TV remote where the infrared rays is passed from the remote. Whereas, what is the sensing device in the TV? The sensing device is a photodiode. The sensing device may be a photodiode or an LDR. Depends on the manufacturer, it may change. Therefore, another application is remote sensing. When remote sensing comes into picture, another application may be controlling. Another application may be controlling of electronic devices or electrical parameters with the help of light. Therefore, remote sensing and controlling comes into picture. And the most important is your power generation, which is nothing but a renewable energy power generation. with the help of a solar PV, you mean photovoltaic cell. Solar PV, you mean for all these applications comes under opto electronic devices. Since it is a very energy efficient and light based electronic system which used for controlling as a remote control, as a power generation, as for communication systems and illuminating lumens, lighting systems. Hope you know about the optoelectronic devices. In the next video, let me discuss in detail about LED, photodiode and solar PV cell. Thank you for patient listening.